Finally, I got your all attention mula pa ho sa aking orihinal na pagpapakilanlan. Ako ay isang Pinoy na may puso at diwa. Pinoy na isinilang hindi lang isang bakla, ngunit may kasaysayan dito sa ating bansa. What a glamorous, a spectacular evening, people of Manresa. A girl is standing here before you. It's a fresh 20 years old sonner who truly owns a way last from the Plastic Festival of the Philippines, lungsod ng Valenzuela. This is Shane Lee Ann, taking of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, at pamangtasan ng lungsod ng Valenzuela. Consists at Dean Lister, running for cum laude. Thank you. Panel Board of Judges, I would like to cover the image. One of the famous actors in ABS-CBN. At opo, tama po kayo. Ako nga po ang napapanood nyo sa It's Showtime. Ako nga po ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Binibining Kim Chu. And judges, the national, the historical, the custom is your country, our very own country, wearing is modern Filipiniana, which is Philippines. And judges, mark my number because I will give you a night, the best show, and a night to remember. And judges, nag-iwan na isang kataga na hindi bastos, na ang tao nagpapakababa ay siyang itinataas, at ang tao nagpapakataas ay siyang ibinababa. Enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.